Yeah,
Can I just flip
well,
it?
yeah, right. Yeah, open it up and then.
Yeah, the straight sack,
Yeah, individual pick. Okay.
Are you videotaping?
Yeah, I'm gonna do every session, every lab, man. So when I graduate, I can have something to go back, so you know, remember.
Oh, I hear you.
Yeah, I'm thinking,
No,
man.
that don't hurt.
Yep.
Good. You gonna have to purge it or anything?
Yeah.
At the manifold or here?
At the manifold. Did you open it up yet?
No.
Well, you got it on there now? Good.
Right.
that's on there.
Open it up.
Open it, flip it.
Open that up. Wait.
Zero the
Open
scale.
It, flip it and purge. Here, wait. Don't open it. Zero that. Open it up. Flip it. Flip it over.
Flip it over
Flip
and then
it over.
zero that scale. There you go.
Scales. Zero to scale. Purge. Here.
Just crack it. There you go. Alright.
And 4 pounds, 5 ounces, right?
Yep.
So what's that you open?
Open everything.
Open it high. Joe, we can put it both high and low side. Open it both.
Yeah. Well, unless you're gonna start it, then you're gonna shut the height. There it goes. So how many pounds are we going to? 4 pounds what?
4 pounds, 5 ounces. 5 ounces.
Oh, okay. Yeah, see what's happening.
I got 4.3.
You had 4.3 pounds.
4.3 pounds.
I
You had to
weighed
put it
in ounces.
Figure it out ounce. Right.
Yeah, I can,
Right.
yeah, 69 ounces.
4 pounds, 5 ounces.
Right.
I got 4.3 ounces.
You got 4.3 pounds. I got 4 pounds, 5 ounces. You got 4.3 pounds. Yours is in.
I got, what?
You got me
did it
confused.
on your phone.
Yeah, 4 pounds,
It came
3
out
ounces.
as 4 pounds, 4.3 pounds. Not